Guys, what's up people? So today I'm going to be installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So I've actually done half of the setup. I don't want to bore you guys with the rest of them. So here we have let's connect to the network. It came to more pop-ups but I didn't do that. So let's get through this process. So let's say I actually have an internet but we don't want to proceed with internet because of it'll ask you to sign into Microsoft account, and which I don't want to do. Continue with limited setup. It's okay. We can make an offline account. That's alright. Let's name it. Oops, I told you. Some of these keys don't even work. So yeah. Now we don't want a password because come on, for a test PC password, nah bro. Alright, so let's turn this off. Diagnostic data, that's okay. That's for the updates of Windows 11. Thinking and typing. Tailor experience, let's just say next. Apply, accept. Alrighty, so it's going to restart right now, so we're gonna wait. I'll be back. Alright, so it's just like the Windows 10 stuff, but I think there's supposed to be some backgrounds and stuff like that, some GIF or something. Any clue, boys? Alright, it's totally blank. I don't know why. Finally. Yeah, let's go. After a few minutes I will vlog back. Yeah, meet you.
A few moments later.
Basically it got installed and this came up. It looks really neat and clean. There are some updates that I have not yet found out. I will find it out and tell you guys. I will make in the next video I'll be covering what is new in the new update. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.